Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video guys, this is by the way, happy Thanksgiving America. This is our Thanksgiving Day vlogs. Naghakot-hakot ng mga kagamitan. So far our garage, it looks like this. Little by little every day. We have a limit of time to hakot. It's just until 11 o'clock because Tim needs to sleep or my husband needs to go to sleep. He's going to work tonight. So yeah. I cannot believe that this is much what I've been keeping to the other house. Hello guys, good afternoon. It's Saturday afternoon. At check time is 4:20 and look at these people unboxing our Christmas gift. You know what is that? A big one. Hello. Hello. And look at our table. A lot of blessings. Yes, pizza. And you know what? In this corner, look at that.
Yeah.
It's a new thing. And a washing machine and dryer. Check it out. Who's that guy over there? This is the man. And over there, this is our Wiley's humble cabin. No.
Is this tanggalon? Malabili naman. Buga na sila ulit na humble. Ako tanggalon.
Yes. Humble new home. Look at that color. Is that so pretty?
Pero ang sarap malabili.
It's pretty. You need to close now and then open it again.
Kipat-kipatan naman po nila. Masoko na naman.
Wow! 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 And the three people over there are busy playing houses. I like the cabinet. See, look at that. And the one is this one, the table. You know what is that? A granite. I like it. Very pretty. It's a pretty. And this one here, check this out. A pantry full of stuff. Oh yeah, there's a turkey. Holy cow.
Full of junk already there.
There's a lot of stuff. That's why it called stuffing.
Yeah, if I take the extension off, it's got a magnetic tip. Where's the real thing?
Okay now. We are installing the inside of this refrigerator. I'm so glad that my cousin, they were here to help us. Also, like, you know, her husband is really like mechanical. What do you call that one?
Robot.
Yeah, Mr. D is down there trying to hook our washer and dryer. And Mr. T, what are you doing, Mr. T? Watching. Imagine that. So, these kids over here, they make their own blah, blah, blah. Just sitting down, they don't even do anything.
I did do something. I
Well, look at her. Now she figure out on how to put the thing here on the side. But by the way, thanks a lot. It's better if you do together, cause I don't know if just me and my husband if we can be done this. These appliances they deliver this today at 4:30. Ano? 2:30 in the afternoon. Now it's already like 4:30. We're trying to install everything because they're going back home to Tulsa, Oklahoma. And, you know,
In a minute.
try to help.
Promise you to keep it because they're gonna put all the stuff from the other house in here and don't have room for that.
Mo gani ako na lang.
That's trash.
Ako na sa diinan nga
Okay.
picturean.
So that you have a pictures, okay?
Liana's Clubhouse. That's Liana's Clubhouse. Kaya